Let's make a $1,000 per day plan for you. Step number 1, go to etsy.com and search with handmade. You'll find a lot of handmade products. Then click on all filters and select free shipping. Now go to facebook.com marketplace and you will find a lot of people selling products. Create a new listing, select item for sale, and you will be on this page. Take the information from here, fill in the product listing. When people buy from you, give you their shipping address. You simply buy from here and put the customer's address for shipping and keep the change. This could be the easiest way to make money online, but there is a problem. You have no control over how many sales you will make because you will have no control over traffic. But we use a better, easier, simpler, and beginner-friendly way to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. For more information about what we do, check the first comment. Here is a passive income plan for you that you can start using a software called volyapp.com to run a coaching community or group program without any upfront cost. However, you will need to share 5% of your revenue with them. But here's the good news. When your business is only making $100, you only pay $5. Running online communities is a great business model, but there is a tiny problem. When your business grows big, you can't take your community from one platform to another, and you have to keep paying this company their hefty fee. When your business is making $100,000, you'll be paying $5,000. And when you make $1 million, you'll be sharing $50,000 with them. That's huge fee. But thankfully, there is a solution. You can build your own software as a service business model just like volyapp.com and earn money like them. But this will take time, planning, funding, and a lot of work for months to build and actually launch one. Till then, you can keep earning $1,000 per day to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions just like we do. Make sure to check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio. Did you know people are earning over $154,000 selling free Canva templates on Etsy? They were able to make over 33,000 sales and made all this money. The best part is Canva and Etsy both are completely free. In addition, there are around 470 million shoppers per month browsing Etsy. So you're guaranteed to have plenty of opportunities for sales and money. Of course, there are a few drawbacks and Etsy shop can be opened from a limited number of countries. Plus, due to the sheer number of competing sellers on Etsy, it can be difficult to stand out and make sales. But don't worry, I have a solution. With our system, you can easily make $1,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. To learn more, check the instruction in the first comment and in the bio. Let's make $1,000 a day using your phone camera. Step number 1, go to shutterstock.com. Shutterstock is a billion-dollar company. Go to the bottom of the page and click sell your content. Go through this page and sign up, upload your content, make money every time your content is downloaded by one of the worldwide customers. And Shutterstock has 58.7 million monthly visitors. So your free photos taken by your phone camera are sold to the 58 million visitors for free. Sounds awesome and easy, but it's not that simple. Shutterstock is an old and popular company, so you have a lot of competitors. There are professional photographers and videographers uploading and selling their content. And among all these competitors, it's really hard to get traction and actually sell content. So it's really hard to get some exposure and get some sales after competing with all those competitors. But Shutterstock is an old and popular company, and they have a lot of professional contributors and sellers. So it's really hard to get some traction and make some sales after competing with them. But don't worry, we have a simple process and we make $1,000 to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions. It's simpler, easier, faster, and more beginner friendly. To know more about it, check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio. Every time my reel videos get 100 views, 500 views, 1,000 views, I get a message like this from Facebook. Nice job, your reel reached 100 plays. You can watch it again or make a new reel. A little encouragement inspires me to make new videos. It doesn't take much to inspire someone. Just say, hey, good job, congratulations, you got this, and they will get closer to you. Big companies do that and use this as advertisement. Like Facebook, no extra cost, but you get free content created by others, enriching your platform. Use this marketing technique and turn everyone into your customer and earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day like us. It's much simpler than that. Our system is simple, easy, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. Check the first comment and the bio for full instruction. Is e-commerce and dropshipping dead? According to this article, Amazon has got huge increase. So what is dead? The old, fake, outdated dropshipping method is dead. In the old days, fake gurus would teach you to put some high-selling products from Alibaba in your Shopify store, sell a $5 product, at $50 price point, give the customer's details to the seller, will ship the product to the customer, and you make $45 profit from sales. That's totally dead. This is my cart on Amazon. I am waiting to buy these products because Amazon will ship in 1 day to maximum 2 days, and Alibaba suppliers will ship in 3 weeks. Bad packaging, damaged products, low quality products. So if a guru is teaching how to beat Amazon in time and quality, follow that coach, mentor, or guru. If not, then avoid that guru and go elsewhere. Now, whether you do drop shipping or not, you can always make $1,000 to $5,000 a day with affiliate marketing. And in our system, it's 95% done for you. Easy, simple, and beginner friendly. To learn more about how we do it, check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio. Let's make $1,000 to $5,000 a day. But before that, let me show you how people lose opportunities to make money. There is a rumor that Donald Trump is dead, and there is a trend around. Do you care? I don't. Right now, Donald Trump is nothing but a comedian to me. But this website made a report around it and posted on Reddit, and 3,600 people commented on the post. 3,600 comments. Pure losers. Don't waste your time. If you want to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day just like us, step number 1, make a website. Step number 2, publish controversial and trending topics. Step number 3, publish on social media, let others comment, engage, and get you traffic like this website. 82 million monthly visitors, and a lot of their traffic comes from Reddit. According to our stats, every visitor equals $1, $2, and sometimes up to $5. Now you calculate how much money these guys are making from 82 million monthly visitors just by publishing contents like this. Where do they make money from? They make money from these ads, and sometimes these links are affiliate links. But hey, this was a way complex way to earn money online. We use a much simpler, easier, and beginner-friendly method to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day. To learn more about our system, check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio. If you want to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day, you need to stop selling. Instead, start inspiring people like Facebook. Look at this. Every time my reel videos get 100 views or 500 views or 1,000 views, I get a message like this from Facebook. Nice job. Your reel reached 100 plays. You can watch it again or make a new reel. This little no-cost message inspires me to make new videos. And it's really free and easy to inspire someone. Just say, good job, awesome, congratulations, you got this. And people will love you more. They will get attached to you. They will come back to you. They will look at what you are doing and they will buy your stuff and you will make money. $1,000 to $5,000 a day, just like us. Easy peasy in a very simple system that is 95% done for you. To learn more about what we do and how you can do it, check the first comment and the bio. Did you know you can get paid from brand companies like Adidas from home as a side hustle? Step number 1, go to Google and search with Adidas test. Click this link, visit this website, go through all the requirements, which is pretty easy and simple. When you are done, click the get started button to start. You will receive the product, you will test the product and report, and you will get paid super simple. But life is not that easy. For receiving the product, you will take time and you will actually have to put in the work to test the product and give them proper feedback. It takes time, money, and effort. Finally, when they approve, you get paid. Definitely, you will not get scammed. You will get paid, but it's not easy. But our system is simple, easy, and beginner friendly. And we make $1,000 to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions. Even beginners are doing it. If you want to know more, check the instruction in the first comment and in the bio.